Ever wondered how Adobe fared in the third quarter of 2023? Well, it was nothing short of impressive. Adobe hit a record total revenue of $4.89 billion, marking a 13% growth compared to last year. But that's not all. The GAAP earnings per share stood at 3.05, with non-GAAP earnings per share at 4.09, both demonstrating substantial year-over-year increases. Impressive, isn't it? But that's not all. Let's move on to the factors driving this success. What's the secret behind Adobe's successful Q3? Well, the answer lies in Adobe's innovative product roadmap, its growth strategy, and a pioneering move: the integration of generative AI capabilities into its products. Adobe's success is not just a stroke of luck. It's a calculated result of continually developing and enhancing its Creative Cloud, Document Cloud, and Experience Cloud offerings. But what's the secret sauce? The company's growth strategy is twofold: attracting new users and offering more value to existing customers. But there's another significant milestone that has propelled Adobe's success: the integration of generative AI capabilities into their products. The impact of Firefly, Adobe's generative AI technology, is undeniable. In a span of just 6 months, over 2 billion images have been generated using Firefly. The impact of Adobe's generative AI technology is undeniable. But how did this translate to their digital media business? Adobe's digital media business, a key player in its growth story. In the third quarter, this sector of Adobe's empire achieved a net new annual recurring revenue, or ARR, of $464 million. Not to be outdone, the creative segment saw a 14% year-over-year increase in revenue, reaching a staggering $2.91 billion. The digital media business has indeed performed well. But what about Adobe's digital experience business? Adobe's digital experience business, another pillar of growth. The third quarter of this year saw this segment generate a revenue of $1.23 billion, marking an 11% increase compared to the same period last year. This growth has been driven by innovative solutions such as Adobe's Experience Platform, Real-Time Customer Data Platform, and Customer Journey Analytics. With such strong Q3 performances, what does Adobe anticipate for Q4? After such a successful Q3, what's next for Adobe? Let's talk numbers. For the fourth quarter, Adobe is setting its sights on a total revenue between $4.975 and $5.025 billion. In the digital media sphere, Adobe is aiming for a net new annual recurring revenue of approximately $520 million. As for the digital experience segment, the target revenue lies between $1.25 and $1.27 billion. With optimism riding high, Adobe continues to innovate and create value for its customers and investors. For more information, the description is below to join a community of like-minded traders.
Arieous Invest. Trading reimagined.